I'm very excited to talk about the new collection with GreenPan. We've expanded the collection. We have new shapes, new sizes, new colors, more ways to cook, more things. All these new colors are pulled from the landscape and culture of Italy, with the essence of great Italian design. People loved my signature pan, so we've made another version that's a little smaller, but still big enough for family meals. It's great for searing, the high sides and flat bottom make stirring easy, and the lid seals in flavor. You'll use it all the time, for everything. We've created a stainless steel set that gives you the best of both worlds. PFAS-free, non-stick when you need it, and the power of stainless steel for professional results. We've also developed a classic lasagna pan for perfect lasagna and so much more. This pan is remarkably versatile and the ideal size for casseroles, desserts, roasting, and big one-pan meals, and has wide handles to take it to the table. It's modern cookware with an artisanal touch. Each piece is shaped for daily use. The handles are comfortable because they're tailored to each pan. These designs have an immense amount of thought behind them that will allow you to enjoy yourself in the kitchen even more.
Cheers, everyone.
Cheers, thank you.